In this video, you are going to learn how to paste AdSense code in WordPress. After watching this, you will be able to set auto ads on your website, as well as place ads in any section of your homepage, inside article, after every 3 paragraphs, right after the title, before the content, before or after the images, and wherever you want. So stick with this video and let's start learning with WP Wiki and become the pro in AdSense code. So this time we are going to set AdSense ad in this website. And this is the AdSense account. Just log in successfully and click on Ads section, and you will find a thing like Manage Ads for your site. To enable auto ads, click on Get Code and copy the code and go to your WordPress website, add a new plugin and search header footer. You will see a plugin like this. Install it and activate it. Here you will see HFCM. Click on it. Add new snippet. Give a snippet name. Then scroll down and paste the code. Now save it. Saved successfully. Now click on Done. Now scroll down and go to your AdSense website and click on the Edit option. Make sure this Auto Ads button is enabled. Also, the Ad Intent should be enabled. Keep this Anchor Ads, Side Rail Ads and Vignette Ads also enabled. After that, click on Apply to Site. Now successfully you enabled auto ads in your website. Now go to Add by Unit. Click on Display Ads. Choose the advertisement dimension. You can choose square, horizontal, and vertical. I'm choosing horizontal right now. And you must use responsive. Then create. They will give a code to you. Copy it. Now go back to your website's homepage. This website is made with Elementor. That's why we are going to edit with Elementor section. If your page builder is different, just follow that specific rule. But the basic thing is totally similar. Now choose a section where you want to add a ad section. Add element, search HTML. Drag and drop. Here's the code box. Paste it and click on Publish. You can also add this ad code in other places too. I'm just showing it here for example. Within 30 minutes, the advertisement will start showing this specific section. This time, we are going to learn how to add AdSense ad inside the content. Go to the plugin section. We need another plugin for it. Search Ad Inserter. Install and activate it. Activate. Under the settings, you will see Ad Inserter. Then go back to AdSense. Now go to In-Article Ads. Give a name. So this is the example of the ad it will show like. Save and get code. Copy code snippet and go to Ad Inserter. Paste it here. Scroll down. By default, post will be enabled. It's fine. Then insertion should be enabled. I'm choosing after paragraph. So in this section, you are going to set where you want to show the ad. Like if I choose 3, which means after the third paragraph, this advertisement will be shown. And if I add a percentage sign before the number, then it will mean that after each 3 paragraph, the advertisement will be visible. Then alignment should be center. Now save the settings. By following the similar method, you can go to the second page, paste the same ad code, and you can use before image, after content. You're seeing many options here. You can use them easily. So this is the video on how to paste AdSense code in WordPress. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And please like this video. Thank you.